Whenever any curve comes, very easier, just have some basic condition. We have one more problem. Let's discuss this also. Let me have water. Okay, now. For a glass prism, the plot of deviation versus angle of incidence I as shown. Find the refractiveness of the glass and value of angle of I. The deviation on y-axis, the angle of incidence on x-axis. So we have this particular curve. There's a maximum deviation, there's a minimum deviation, and the angle for which minimum deviation is more given 60 degrees. So we'll do one thing. We know minimum deviation 60 degrees, hmm? Maximum deviation 63 degrees. And we have one more information is like maximum deviation is equal to, or say deviation in general formula. What is the deviation formula? In general, deviation equal to I1 plus I2 minus A. If this is I1, this will be I2. And it is not maximum deviation. So sorry, this is not maximum deviation. So here this will be 63 degrees I1. This I2 is what? 2I1. And minimum deviation is 60 degrees. So we know that minimum deviation mu is equal to sine of A plus delta minimum by 2 is equal to sine of A by 2. It is asking to calculate mu. We know minimum deviation 60. We should get the angle of prism. Angle of prism is what this particular thing is there. What to do with this 60 degrees? We know at minimum deviation, angle of incidence, once again I'll take you to the basic idea. At minimum deviation, we do have a condition of like this: I, E, this is a R1. So the deviation will be minimum. So what is the minimum deviation formula? We'll write it I minus E into E, and I should be equal to E, R1 equal to R2. Angle of incidence should be equal to emergent angle. This is what that I is 60 degrees. So minimum deviation 60, so 60 equal to 2I minus A. What is the value of I? I is 60, so 60 equal to 2 into 60 degrees minus A. So A equal to 60 degrees. Now once you know A, substitute that A here. Mu is equal to root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Root 3. Is asking to calculate the I1. How to calculate the I1? I think after getting the value of A 60, substitute here. I'll rewrite here. 63 plus A equal to 3I1. 63 plus 60 is equal to 3I1. So what is I1 is equal to 123 by 3. Manageable, all some formulas, and you should have that minimum deviation condition there. At minimum deviation, incident angle, emergent angle will be equal, and the refracting angles will be equal, and they should be equal to A by 2. Right, many problems, this is going to help you a lot. We'll take the next one.